Hi everyone, it's Kathie Ryan here in Bundaberg, Queensland. You see before you a 12 by 16 inch or 30 by 40 centimetre canvas which has some black paint on it. I saw Priscilla Betzel do a dragon, and she used a little scoop and thing and put the colours in and all of that business, so that's what I thought I would attempt, a dragon. I just think they'd be good fun. So what I have here is purple, blue, orange, red, green and gold paint, to which I have of course added the pouring medium but no silicone. So I'm just going to pour some paints on and then I'll scoop them out. Gold. I don't use a lot of green, so I thought I might add some green into this one. Just to see how it goes. I've got orange and I have a barking dog. Stop that now please. And some purple. Right. And some blue. And I might just, oh, did I put red? Oh yes, I put red in the beginning. No barking. And a smidgen of black, which is more paint than I actually need, but I will use it in the next pour, so. Okay, perhaps I should have had some white, but I don't. Where's my little scoop? There it is. And we'll just get some of these colours out and try for a dragon. I think we need him a little bit brighter. Gotta go over the edge. Okay. Put more orange in here. Okay, so I'll just put these over here. And have my skewer. And I just want to bring him a tad around a bit more. Bring this sort of down. have some red just in his fire. Legs, got to have a leg. More paint, and I might have a leg here, I think. And little one there. Okay. To have more orange just here. So he has a bit of a fat tummy, and then right, now the chain. Okay. I think in there. There's a link down below showing more to Priscilla Betzel's excellent book. If you're interested, you could click on the link and go and check that out. I'm sure you'll find lots of interesting and wonderful things there. To get rid of some of these dots I've dropped. Okay, he's looking very handsome. And I think I'll just give it a little torch and let's see. Oh, I might have to do that first. Get rid of that. There was a couple here. don't really want spots and dots. Right. Black here. Right, and then maybe a bit of black for his eye, which I almost forgot he needed an eye. That gives the look. Yeah, that's all he needs. And I'll bring you down to take a look. He's rather quite handsome, he's very pretty. I'll just untangle you. The recipes and the names of these paints you'll find under Show More below the video. There's also a link there to my Facebook group, which is Australia Art Dreaming. You're more than welcome to come and join us. And that's the handsome boy. He's just what I think a dragon would look like. Perhaps he's one of those sea dragons. Thank you very much for watching. I do hope you've enjoyed this. Please give it the thumbs up, and if you haven't already subscribed, please do. Click the little bell and you'll be notified then as I put up more. And bye for now.